everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get Spotify on your computer. So first of all, we go to Spotify, and so many people are having trouble with logging in. So watch till the end on how to get it. So first of all, we need to get to the Spotify, and you need to install the application, get our free application. I'm already logged in, but I'm gonna log out and show you guys. So we're gonna press on download. So Spotify setup.exe is downloaded right now here. We gotta wait until this is done. I prefer everyone to use Spotify on PC, not on the web, because sometimes accidentally you can close the tab and it will automatically go away. But when you're using the application, it's really hard to close it, so you can like easily listen to the music. So it's cool. So we're gonna wait for this. Installing Spotify. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're uploading videos every single day. And then after you do it, you're gonna click on login, and it's gonna ask you for your email, username, password, and we're gonna click on continue with Google since we have already have an account on my Gmail. So we're gonna click here, and you're not gonna see this tab, but you're gonna see like like the Gmails, and then you're gonna click on your Gmail, and then you're gonna log in. So you're gonna press on continue to app, allow access. So allow access, and we're officially here, guys. It automatically lets us like log in, which is very good. And you can listen to music that you want, and this is very good, guys. It's very easy. And also, if you would like to log out of your accounts, you go here and then you press log out here. And if you want to change your account settings, you go here and you can change the language and also the auto quality and other things that are related. And you can also click on your accounts to change your name, your profile picture, and everything, guys. This was it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.